played Thrill of the Fight today. Fought my next opponent. First time doing VR boxing in like months. And I've been dieting and doing cardio in the gym. So I do 25 minutes of cardio every day. When I was doing VR boxing like 3 months ago or 4 months ago, I was gassing so fast that I was getting beat by the opponents easily. When I did it just the other day, having some cardio and having dropped like 15 or 20 pounds, I crushed my first opponent. One of the big keys to this game is come on strong and push, you know, because when you're doing damage, he's not. My next opponent, he's super powerful. He knocks me out like in the first round, like within 1 minute.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And I was out for like 8 seconds, and I came back and ended up losing the fight in a decision in the end. I'm sure, I have a strong feeling I'm gonna beat him tomorrow. But this game is so fun because it really gets you pushing your cardio harder than you are used to. And then I'm in this hot garage, so I got a good sweat going. I'm trying to figure out a way to get my lift in and my cardio in without spending 2 hours a day at the gym. So I'm gonna try to reduce my total training time and get in kind of a maintenance weight loss mode. One idea I have is I may train every other day and do cardio every other day. I can keep my lifts just as intense, hit every muscle group once a week, and then do cardio every other day. And that way I can cut my workouts down to maybe like 45 minutes to an hour, 4 days a week, and then cardio the other 3 days a week. The goal for me is to do the least amount of hard work in the gym, the least amount of work. I want to make it as easy as possible. I've done it the hard way, and now I want to do it the easiest possible way so I can focus some of my energy on other things, but I don't want to lose my gains. So that's all I got. I'm gonna call it a wrap.
Your winner is the blue corner.